Nigeria's insurance industry is soon to be subjected to stricter regulation. This as the Market Regulatory Authority, National Insurance Commission, intensifies checks to guide against unethical practices and get in place international standards. And to tell us more, we're joined from Lagos by Fola Daniels, Commissioner of the National Insurance Commission. Fola, thank you so much for joining us. Firstly, paint us a picture of what the trend has been like in the insurance sector in Nigeria.
The question again is not very clear.
Okay, can you hear me? Firstly, let's establish.
Yes, I can hear you. Yeah.
All right. Tell me what the trend has been like in the insurance sector in Nigeria.
The last 18 months has been quite very instructive. The insurance industry is on an upward trend. We're creating more awareness through the grassroots, so there's an upsurge in the number of people that are buying insurance, unlike we had in the past. And also the confidence of the insuring public is also is increasing as a result of measures introduced by the National Insurance Commission to cleanse and sanitize the insurance industry.
Well, how confident are clients as well as investors in the insurance sector when there are concerns that the sector is not aligned to the core insurance principles issued by the International Association of Insurance Supervisors, which is basically the international standards?
Well, we can't claim that we've attained the international standard as at now, especially the core principles as you have under the IAIS. But the insurance industry is seriously being brought in line with international standard and practice. And you must also know that we are members of the IAIS, and we are trying to steer the insurance industry in line with those standards, the best practice that is obtainable elsewhere.
But how challenging is it right now to implement these international standards into the insurance sector of Nigeria?
Well, every change is a challenge because people don't like change. People don't want to move away from the way they are doing things. But it has become imperative that we move to insurance towards international best practice. And I'm very happy that the professionals within the insurance industry have come to terms with our desire to steer insurance in the right direction. Within the financial services sector, insurance in Nigeria is not on the same scale with the banking sector, and this is quite worrisome to us as regulator. But we are doing everything that is possible to bring insurance in line with international best practice. And I am very happy that all stakeholders within the insurance sector are cooperative, and they see a reason why we need to move insurance industry forward.
There was a time when there were concerns within the sector that there were unethical practices, etc. Did that not scare investors away to a certain extent?
Well, there are unethical practices in various sectors of other financial services industry that we have. Insurance is not an exception. But we are trying to curtail the unethical practice. And very recently, the Insurance Association got their members together to sign a code of conduct, and which is in tandem with what we want to do. What they are trying to do is a bit of self-regulation, which is consistent with where we want to take insurance to. So the unethical practice is not increasing. I think we are having a measured reduction in unethical practice. I know there is still a lot more to be done to ensure that we cleanse the insurance industry. But we are not relenting, we are moving forward.
Which insurance stocks are investors keen on right now?
Which is insurance?
Stocks.
What's the question, please? Which
ICO, for example. ICO, are investors keen on that stock in Nigeria?
Yes, if you look at the most traded stock in the Nigerian sector right now, the last 3-4 weeks, is the banking sector, and the second one has been insurance. And in 1 or 2 weeks, insurance actually took the front stage. So the insurance stock is not doing really badly. People are buying stock, and that is helping our quest to even deepen insurance penetration and knowledge. People are becoming aware.